Estimate the daily runoff that occurred in the month of June using SCS Curve Number method. The area of the watershed is 400 hectares. Now, this watershed uh, comprises of different land use, land cover, fallow row crops, close seeded legume, pasture, road. We can obtain the appropriate values of curve number from the standard tables. Fallow row crops for soil group, hydrologic soil group A, the value of curve number is 77. For close seeded legume, the value is 66. For pastures and road, the corresponding CN values were obtained from the table. Now the hydrologic soil group is A. Now these values of curve number are for average conditions. So these values are CN2 values. We'll obtain CN1 and CN3 values depending upon AMC conditions. Now weighted curve number is obtained by multiplying the area with the curve number and then dividing the total by 100. So the weighted curve number 2 is 70.44. Now it was converted into weighted curve number 1 and weighted curve number 3 using formula uh, for conversion from curve number 2 to curve number 1, and by using this formula which converts curve number 2 into curve number 3. So the weighted curve numbers for antecedent moisture condition 1, 2 and 3 have been obtained. Now the daily runoff depth and volume is to be obtained. Now this is the rainfall data for the month of June. The total rainfall occurred in the month of June was 402 millimeters. Now AMC condition, zero rainfall. In May no rainfall occurred, so we'll use AMC condition 1. Now AMC represents the total rainfall in the previous 5 days. So from 6th June the AMC condition would be 1 because the rainfall was 0. Now AMC condition is decided based on this table. If the rainfall is less than 36 millimeters, then the condition is called AMC condition 1. If the rainfall is 36 mm to 53 millimeters, then it is AMC 2. And if the rainfall in the previous 5 days was greater than 53 millimeters, then the condition would be AMC 3. So we'll insert a similar kind of equation to represent the correct AMC condition. So if the if the total rainfall in the previous 5 days sum of this to this is less than 36, then uh, the AMC condition will be 1. If and if the sum of previous 5 days rainfall is greater than equal to 36 but less than 53, I think. Sum of J2 to J6 is less than equal to 53, then the AMC condition would be 2, and if it is false, then 3. Just complete the paragraph, sorry, bracket. So AMC condition 1, let me drag this down. Okay, here the condition is changing because the total of the previous 5 days was greater than 53. 38 plus 12 is 50 and 50 plus 9 is 60. Therefore, it is AMC 3. Now, corresponding to the AMC condition, we will write the curve number values. Now, if AMC condition is 1, if K2 is equal to 1, then the cell value should be equal to, the curve number value should be equal to 51.1. If the value of K2, C3 is 33, yes. If the value of K2 AMC condition is equal to 2, then use curve number 2 value. Otherwise, use curve number 3 value. That's it. Let me complete the bracket. So curve number 51.1 corresponding to weighted curve number 1. Let me drag this down. First, I need to anchor these values. If K2 is equal to 1, then curve number 1 value will be inserted into the cell. K2 is 2, then curve number 2 value, otherwise curve number 3. So 51.1 wherever the AMC condition is 1, and 84.8 for AMC 3. Now, potential maximum retention S is calculated using this formula 25400 divided by Cm minus 254. 25400 divided by curve number value minus 254. So this value is obtained in millimeters. So once the value of S is obtained, it is easy to calculate the runoff depth. Q is equal to P minus 0.2 S whole square divided by P plus 0.8 S. But it should be used only if P is greater than 0.2 S. If it is less than equal to 0.2 S, then the runoff depth should be equal to 0. So we'll use that condition if the value of rainfall is greater than 0.2 multiplied by S, then we will use this equation.